we have to make something different, yeah, with the existing transportation. Different means not you know that to make a difference is we have to make a I call it is innovation. Yeah. You know that aircraft existing aircraft is the engine is use fuel, so we have to use the more efficient energy, yeah, more clean energy, and the airplane is cannot used for short range because you know that for especially for fixed wing we have to take off from runway and also landing in runway, and so we have to make aircraft flexible to take off and landing, and also we have to make a solution to transfer person from one place to another place in especially in a city, in a small area. So I think this is the answer. Okay, for example, to solve the transportation problem, uh, the problem is for traffic jam. Yeah. You know that the solution is to we have already provide the route, and but the growth of the road is not enough to accommodate the growth of the vehicle, so we have to provide the another transportation. We have to use the transportation that not run in the road but in the air. First of all, the investor will be interested to invest in business here. The first they see what is the problem. Is it true that this is the problem that have to be solved? And the second is it true that this product is a solution for this problem? Yeah. And the third is what's the benefit? What is the product? What's the feature? Is it the first product, or is it another competitor that already have the product? What is the what's the different value between this product and the competitor? And the fourth is what is it real need? Is it customer real needs this solution? Yeah. And also the fifth is they have also see what the business plan. The investor need to know what the startup will be do in 2 years, maybe in 5 years. In 1 year, the investment will be returned, something like that. So I think not the investor will be seen the general parameter. and after that maybe they will consider the uniqueness of the frog, or maybe this is the future product. Indonesia has many problems. One of the problem is the transportation. People, person transportation or cargo transportation, and Indonesia have many unique contour. Yeah, we have many island, and with you know that Mr. Habibie already proposed a solution to cover this problem, but you know that the what Habibie done is not very success, but the idea is already accepted by people that we have to transportation to cover the contour of on the Indonesian country. So we continues to continue the Habibie plan to make a product that will be solve the problem with the Indonesian area. Yeah, Frog have so far have 3 business model. The first is sell the products for customer, and the second business model we provide customer to rent our product, and the third if we provide like a trainings to pilot how to use our product. So far we only 3 business model. We have a plan in 2020 to start to sell product, because we already ready for 2 products. The first is drone sprayer. We plan to sell 13 drone sprayer, and we have a plan to sell 1 drone passenger. There is one candidate customer, and we have the other product cargo drone and surveillance. But for cargo drone is ready for 2021. But surveillance we have start to sell in middle of this year. So we plan to sell about 5 drones. So the totally income for this year is about 16 million. You know that we are part of Indonesian people is concerned for the solve to the Indonesian problem. What of we have to try to overcome the problem is transportation. So but you know that the regulation for this drone solution is not ready to comply. So we hope the government is care to provide the proper regulation, so uh, the product will already produced is can be get a certification.